Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, today's video is a Whole30 grocery haul. Let's jump right in. So hey everybody, how y'all doing? My name's Shakema. I'm a single mom. I have 4 children. That's a lot of kids. Lord have mercy. Yeah, they eat a lot too. So we had to do our grocery haul for the week. So I'm going to share with you what I was able to get. I went to Aldi this week, shopped Aldi. We got some pretty good stuff. I did up my budget a little bit this week, so I had $90 to spend. I spent right at $84. So I did get some affiliate link money that came in, and then I also got some child support. So I'm using some of that for gas and some I added to the groceries. Lots and lots of veggies. We still have meat. I'm actually cooking pork belly today. I may bring you guys along for that. So this may be a grocery haul cook with me, but I will update you on the garden as well. So you get a little bit of a couple things in this video. So let me turn my camera around and show you what I was able to purchase at Aldi. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm going to scan to let you all see what I was able to get at Aldi. These are my groceries. These are Jackson's snacks. He's going to a tournament in a couple weeks, so those are his things. These are our groceries for the house. So I'll share with you what I was able to get. So in the non-food category, I picked up some storage bags and some freezer bags, $1.89 each. This triple action for the dishwasher was $3.89 for 18 of those. I could have got that cheaper somewhere else, but I was not going to another store. Never Any Bacon was $4.99. Picked up some of the Simply Nature organic tomato, basil, and marinara pasta sauce. They were $1.75 for both of those. We used one this week, so I got one to replace and one for the pantry. Picked up the Never Any maple apple chicken sausage. Picked up 2 of those. We did like those. I got some organic. Oh, these were $2.99. Organic unrefined coconut oil was $3.79. So I picked that up. I actually made a Whole30 approved crust, and we did a quiche. And I used coconut oil in the place of the one thing that they had, the ingredient that they had that I did not have. So I picked that up. I actually think I'm going to pick up some lard. I don't think lard is on the list. I don't think you can have lard. That's probably why I picked that up. Okay, picked that up. Picked up some of these cotton candy grapes. We were going to give them a try. They were $3.99 a pound. Way more expensive than I planned. But we'll give them a try and see. That's a treat. Picked up these regular red grapes. They were $1.19 a pound. And then they had that toilet paper deal again. Four rolls for 49 cents. So I picked up 4 packages. So right at $1.96 for 4 packages. They did not have the paper towels this week. But that's okay. I picked up that. Throw it in the prepper pantry. And I'll probably take you out to the pantry. No clue what's going to be in this video, but just stick around for it. Picked up bananas. I think they were, I don't remember how much they were a pound, but I got some yellow ones that I can eat now. And then I got some green ones that will ripen over the next few days or so. So I'll have some for breakfast. I usually will have a banana, a little bit of almond butter with some raisins on it as my breakfast. And that's been working out pretty good. Picked up 1 pineapple, $1.25. Picked up some Honeycrisp apples. These are small ones, but they were $2.59. Picked up sweet potatoes. They were $2.49. Picked up 2 pounds of carrots, which I do plan to use these. They were $1.45 for 2 pounds of the ones with the skin on. So we'll just de-skin those, peel them. Mandy's were $2.99. These small potatoes were $2.99. Then the Care oranges were $3.99. Now, Jackson likes these and Mom likes these, so I had to pick up 2 of those. Picked up 1 cantaloupe for $1.45. Got Jackson some dried cranberries, $1.29. Spinach was $1.19. I picked up 2 bags of those. We are going to have spaghetti squash tonight because last night I made spaghetti sauce using the ground beef and marinara sauce. So we're going to have spaghetti squash tonight. We do have some baby Bella mushrooms. They were $1.79. Can't remember how much the spaghetti squash was. Picked up some green peppers. I do plan to use some of these in different meals. Picked up 1 of the English cucumbers. I think this was 99 cents. These grape tomatoes were $1.49 each, as were the strawberries, $1.49 each. So on my groceries, I spent right at $84. My budget was $90. So like 50 I had and then 40 I added. So 90, and I spent $84. And then Jackson picked up these two little things. He's got pineapple tidbits, mandarin oranges. He's got mini peanut butter crackers and then rounds of like the Ritz. Don't know how, oh, he paid like $7.50 some cents. He had $10 to spend. So that's what he picked up. We may pick up a few more snacks for his tournament, but that's what he picked up thus far. He'll probably be able to have some of these fruits and things as well. Or of course, I'm going grocery shopping next week, so I'll pick those up. I'm gonna take you outside now to check out the garden. Alrighty, you guys, hopefully this wind is not too bad. Uh-oh, there's somebody. Get out of that garden in Jesus' name, ma'am. Pardon. So we have tomatoes. These are tomatoes. Of course, we have some cages here. A friend of mine has about 5 more cages for me. So I'll be caging these tomatoes. And I will also cage as many of the peppers as I'm able to. I'll cage as many of the peppers as I'm able to, just because when we did peppers last year, they did extremely well for us, and I want to make sure that they don't start to lean over or what have you. I think I'm already starting to get some buds on that pepper plant. There's already some little buds on there, and this one as well is in there, and then there's some little buds in here. We do have onions coming up. So I've got onions here. I've got onions coming up here and there. So we've got some things peeking through. There's some onions peeking through here and some here. So they're peeking through. Here are strawberries. So of course we have strawberries in this kiddie pool. And then there are green beans in this round. There's strawberries here, so we don't see anything coming up yet. We've got these 2 pots of beans, and I'm actually gonna put out a couple more pots of beans. There's our grapevine. Of course, it has grown since last year, so it is growing. And then we've got cucumbers. So let's see. Alana said she saw some. Oh, there are some.
There's one right there.
Look. There's one coming up there.
One back there.
There's one back there. There's one right here. And one over here coming up. Wow. So something's happening. And we've got some zucchini coming up. So there's something there. And then something back there. That's a weed over there. Go pull that, sister. And then pull this little bit of grass right here. Just those couple pieces of grass. Oh, wait a minute.
So that's not a carrot?
No. No. That's grass. Yeah, that's grass. Yeah, that's grass.
Very deep grass.
Yeah, gotta get that root out or it's gonna... See, it's not wet at the bottom. See, that soil is dry. We need to get, Jackson needs to come out here with the other one and really just let this, we need to really let some of that water soak through. Yeah, just those little weeds. See, because it's still dry there. We need to get the thing back. And let's actually just kind of do a slow, because it's got to penetrate past the top layer to get down. Okay, so we're doing good. We've got cucumbers coming up, which is good. I still need to find 2 more of these cages, so I'm gonna look on Amazon and see if I can find any on there, because I went to Walmart and was unable to find 2 more, or maybe even 3 more. I want the cucumbers to have something to vine onto, so they're just not gonna go across. I want them to be able to climb the vine. So I'm gonna see if I can't find a few more of these square trellises. Wasn't able to find them at the Walmart I got them at last year. So, and I can actually move that one down a little bit and put 3 more in here. So I'm gonna go look on Amazon right now. All right, y'all, I'm not gonna share with y'all my wreck of a garage right now because it is really a wreck. I've got this couch that I have to get rid of, get hauled off, and I haven't been able to get it hauled off just yet. So right now I got a lot, and then we were gifted a 14-foot Christmas tree. So that is there. My sister, her house is actually getting underway. Yay, finally. And so once all of her stuff is moved out, then I'll be able to at least have more room on this side of the garage. But here's what we have as far as stuffs right now. We don't have nearly what I would love to have in here. But what I am going to do is start really getting back to my prep game. You know, I was really prepping things. And I really just have to get back on my prep game. And it's no problem. You know, things happen. And sometimes you just kind of sidetrack out a little bit. But we're back on it. No problem. And then, of course, here is this up here on the top is foods for other people. It's not for our family. This was gifted to the pantry, even though we give out of our pantry. Everything below that is ours. So I'm going to do some kind of tidying up in there. And then, of course, all of our films and toilet paper and stuff. So I'm going to go up there and stack some of the extra toilet papers that we have. Stack them up there. Alrighty, you guys, so there it is. I don't have much of a meal plan yet. I did some meal prepping yesterday. Oh, actually, I need to go put those potatoes on. Jackson did put the groceries away. I put some pork belly into the oven. I'm just doing a salt and pepper, just spices, and I'm doing a crispy pork belly tonight. And then actually, we're going to put some potatoes in the Instant Pot so that we can have some sweet and some red potatoes that will be done for the week. Because we like to eat those just with a little bit of oil, a little nutritional yeast. And if we have them. One of you lovelies actually mentioned the loaded potato, stuffed potato, and we have been loving that. We'll actually fry up an egg and throw it on top as well. So I'm thinking I'll do some pork belly, a potato with an egg and nutritional yeast, and it'd be like a breakfast for dinner. Outside of that, we have some leftover steak and gravy that I might do some cauli rice with. I just found a Whole30 gravy friendly recipe. So I did find Whole30 gravy friendly, and then the pie crust friendly, the Whole30. I use coconut flour, almond flour, coconut oil, and an egg. That was all I used, and a little bit of salt into the dough to make the dough a little taste, you know, flavored. I put a little bit of, what else was that? That was chili powder into the dough as well. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. We didn't get any meats. As you can tell, if I had put meat, I could have easily been $150, $200 and would have only gotten a few meats. So thankful that I have the meats that I have in my freezer. And we're just going to keep on keeping on with what we have. We're sticking with Whole30. It's doing what it's supposed to do for us right now. We're really thankful for it. So yeah, there it is. We are excited for our garden. The garden looks really good. We're going to keep just trying to get that ground, that dirt underneath to get moist. We need a good rain. We haven't had one yet. We've had a little bit just here and there, little sprinklings, but we have not had a good soak, and we need a good soak. So anywho, you guys, like I said, I don't have much of a meal plan. I've got 2 whole chickens in there. A friend of mine is coming over for dinner on Saturday. Her name is Kathy, and she always usually brings the meat, and the kids and I do the sides. So I'm not real sure what we plan to do, but we'll do something. But yeah, we're keeping it Whole30, a lot of fruits and veg around here. I'm still pretty regular, and that's working out real good for me. No dairy, no cheese, no anything like that. So anywho, we just wanted to share just a few updates with you guys. We do need to get cracking on our prepper pantry, just so that we have all of the things. I'm not comfortable where I am right now. So I am going to amp up that prepping as much as I'm able within the next couple of months. Just so the kids and I have everything that we need in case anything, or we have a bad week and we don't have a lot as far as finance for that week. So it's not doom and gloom prepping. We may run into a bad week where we don't have grocery money, or the summer's coming up. And of course, my grocery budget is really small in the summer. So we're just trying to be prepped for the things we know that are coming. I know June and July are always challenge months for me because I don't work in those months. So there's no income coming in. So right now, you know, we're just going to do our best to prep what we can. And then for those couple months, if we have to, we will eat out of the pantry. I'm sure I'll have enough for, like I've been saving my grocery cards to get, you know, what we need for the week as far as produce is concerned. I will have to do another big meat stock up at some point. Prayerfully, I'm good until June. And then by then I will have had my supplement come in May, because we're getting an extra supplement from our county. And prayerfully, my car will be paid off by then. So I'll be able to take that supplement money, take a little bit out for, you know, a Costco run or wherever else I'm planning to shop to do some meats. So, you know, we'll see how it goes. For right now, the kids and I are good. I think we can make it at least to the end of the month, maybe a little bit further than that. Because like I said, we are adding in a lot of veggies, and sometimes we're not even having a meat. So we're okay without doing a meat, but we're not calling it Meatless Monday. So, you know, it might be Meatless Thursday. We're good with it. But anywho, there it is, you guys. Just wanted to share a quick couple updates with you. Grocery haul, prepper pantry, the garden, and then kind of like what we could possibly be eating. But anywho, we do appreciate you guys so much for stopping by. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.